Hey guys, happy Tuesday. In case you missed what we did today, both Cohort 1 and Cohort 2, you are going to need to make sure, oh, my lights went off because no one's moving in this room. Like I was saying, make sure you log into Google Meets at the beginning of the hour. That link is right in our homepage of your Google Classroom. Be there, show up. It's really important. We are doing a little mindfulness and art activity today. We did one that is located in our Google Classroom page. If you'd like to participate with that as well, it's fun. You can do that with a buddy at home. A little reminder, you need to have had your Flipgrid video completed for today's work. So what we did today is we took some time to look at all of our classmates' videos that they posted on Flipgrid, and your job is to comment on 10 classmates' videos. And I don't want you to just go to like your buddies first or anything like that. I want you to actually watch everyone's videos and try to find someone who hasn't got a comment yet, or maybe hasn't like got a ton of comments. Go to those people first, write a comment, focus on something positive that you liked about their video, or even better, something that you have in common with them that you learned through their video. Or maybe it was something that you don't necessarily have in common, but you still think that's a really cool thing about them. So something of that nature. I'm excited to see your comments. I'll be looking through them. So have fun with this, and I'll see y'all later.